YouTube. You're watching Cam Ray Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to solder a connector. Alright, it's a regular crimp connector, but I like to solder it just because it adds a longevity to it, and it also adds, you won't have to worry about it coming apart in your car. Alright, so we're going to start off by taking a little bit of 14 gauge wire. We're going to be cutting off what we think we need. I like to use blue or black whenever I'm using a grounding wire in a car, just because if you're revisiting it later, you don't get confused by using any red wires. So I'll take a little bit of it. I like to do about 1/4 of an inch. Alright. We just break it off like that. Then what I'll do is I'll send it through here, just so that it's poking out a little bit, not overlapping the hole. I'll put it over in my easy arms. Alright. Holds it on there nice and tight. Tin my tip. You just gotta wait a sec because a lot of these have coatings on them. So you just gotta wait till the coating sort of melts off, and then the solder will just go right onto it. So now we can take that off, and now it's nice and solid, and it's not going to be coming apart. Alright, thanks for watching.